Hello everybody, I'm Chris Fairless. I'm here at the 2017 SEMA show and we're at the Bestop booth, and let me show you around some of our new products. New for this year, we have our new color tops, premium color tops. These come in 5 different colors. It's all in our Trek Top NX series. This happens to be called our Trek Top Plus. This is a top that actually has operation from inside the vehicle. Very easily opened and closed from inside the vehicle. So a nice easy operation. No need to come out of the vehicle. To open it and close it.